Thoughts cannot overcome the fear, but actions can. Because of the fear, you start to take actions. Those actions will take you out of that fear zone. What makes remove the fear is action, not thoughts. Fear is a feeling all of us feel most of the time. Fear is a situation we imagine. Most of the time, it is not real. Let's take this moment. Are you feel fear now? If yes, for what? It is most probably a situation you imagine. A future imaginary situation that could happen and you fear of either it happens or not. Okay, let me explain you it like this. Imagine you have an exam on tomorrow or near future. What do you want to do? Study or get ready for the exam, right? Instead of that, most of you do is thinking about how will be the exam. Thinking about, am I able to answer all the questions? Will time be enough? Likewise, you create your own scary world and feel worry and fear about it. When you think about the situation more, you get more fear. More fear means you are thinking more. It is a circle, you cannot easily get rid of it. But the thing you have to understand is, all the fear feelings you get now is because of the imaginary situation you have created your own. You cannot get mad at present. If I take the same previous example again, what you can do now is study. Can you be mad at studying, or is studying make you fear? No. The only reason you get fear is you feel you would not be able to finish it before the exam, or you will not remember the things you are studying. So it's fear you created because of your own imaginary thoughts. Thoughts cannot overcome the fear, but actions can. That is the good part of fear. That is the good thing come out of fear. Because of the fear, you start to take actions. Those actions will take you out of that fear zone. Because of the fear, you start to study and you realize it is possible to cover the things you have to study, and you can face the exam in a way better than you thought. So the fear goes away. What makes remove the fear is action, not thoughts. So when you feel fear, always focus on how to overcome that fear. Come out of that imaginary situation and live in the moment, in the present. Then you realize what you can do to overcome that fear, that action part. Those actions are your present, the medicine to your fear. So finally, always remember, fear comes because of the imaginary situation you have created yourself. The best solution to fear is action you can take after focusing the present. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that I can come to you when you need some inspiration and give it to you. Finally, I want you to remember one thing. If you feel fear, take actions. It will make you a fearless person, not the thoughts. Thank you.